everybody. Happy Tuesday. It's Sarah coming at you from my bathroom. And I had told you the other day that I was going to start doing some of these pre-recorded videos. I do want to be able to craft with you and show you as much as possible, but I'm not going to be going live each and every night. So instead, it may look as though I'm live, but I'm not actually here with you tonight. I am premiering a video for the very first time at my regular live time slot, and I'm going to do a craft project with you, and I will be in the comments. So if you want to comment or you want to ask questions while you're watching this video, please do so, because I will be here, just not at the same time. Does that make sense? Maybe not. Anyway, I am so happy that you're joining me, taking a few moments out of your night. I wanted to show you something that is a little bit difficult for me to do live at my normal time slot of 8 o'clock because my kids are usually in bed and their bedrooms are right here on either sides of these walls. And I have been wanting to change out the positive messaging that's on my mirror. It has been chalked on here for probably a year, maybe more. Anyway, it is time to change it up, and I wanted to show you how easy it is. I don't normally chalk on mirrors. It's something I don't do very often, not at least with you guys anyway. So I wanted to show you the possibilities. You all know how important positive messaging is to me and how important it is to surround yourself, and every time you look in that mirror, to look yourself in the eyes and say something positive to yourself instead of running those negative tapes. So I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm going to show you how to take off what's here. Please no judgment, my mirror is dirty. And then we're going to put on a new positive message saying, and we'll surprise the girls because they're at school right now. So we'll maybe get their reaction when they get home. Okay, so just in case you're wondering, we're like balancing cameras all over the place here. So anyway, this is part of the reason why I can't do this live. But I wanted to show you. So this was a club. This was a club transfer, I want to say from last January, but I will try and get that information and insert it into the video here afterwards. But this has been on here forever. And as you can see, it gets wet all the time. Your chalk paste will not smudge. It will not run. It will not smudge, even if it gets wet and sprinkled on. Honestly, you have to scrub at it in order to get it off. And I'm going to show you just how easy, even though I say you have to scrub, it's not hard. So I'm going to show you how to get it off. All right. Well, fortunately, we're in the bathroom. So I'm just going to use my sink, and I'm going to get this mirror washed. All of my Norwex things are all here, just handy. So I'm going to use them to wash my mirror and get all of that chalk paste off of there. I'm going to start by getting it wet. And then I'm going to flip over to my scrubby side because I didn't bring my paste scraper up, but you can see this has just got a little bit of a little bit of texture to it, and it's going to take off all of that paste. So as you can see, it comes off pretty easy, and you just have to scrub and make sure that it's wet, and it will all come off lickety split. You just use a little bit of, it's way easier when the paste is wet, I will say that much. Avery's gonna kill me because this is her cloth. I'll wash it for her. As I said, it's really important. My girls look in this mirror for long periods of time every day. And it's important to me that they be surrounded by as much positive messaging as I can for them. And I know they're here by themselves in the bathroom, and I just want them to see and reflect and just try as best I can to have positive tapes running for them instead of negative ones. So this is an easy way, and it adds some personality to the bathroom without having to have a whole ton of decoration, which I don't really have a whole lot of space in this bathroom for decoration. So there you have it. Get all of this off of here while I'm at it. Ooh, might as well just do the whole thing. That's why small plug for my Norwex. I love my Norwex. I don't need any chemicals. I just can clean with water, and I love it. And all of that paste is gonna rinse right out of my cloth. You don't need to worry about it staining your cloths. It will wash, so don't worry about that. And I'm going to finish up by drying my mirror. Should be done there. I'll just use my other Norwex cloth. No paper towel, no waste, no chemicals. And my mirror is clean. Lickety split. Oh, I missed a spot. I missed a spot of paste. Get that off of there. Missed 2 spots actually. There we go. I don't want any smudges on my mirror. I hope you all had a fabulous Tuesday and have enjoyed the sunshine. Where I am, it is beautiful, much warmer today. We did get a little bit of snow, but it was much warmer and the sun was shining. So there you have it, clean mirror. So now we're getting ready to chalk. So let me show you what transfer I chose for my mirror. Wonder if you can guess. If you can guess, put it in the comments right now so that you've got a chance to guess before I actually show you. What transfer did I choose for my mirror today? So did you guess? Do you think you guessed right? This one, every day is a fresh start. So this is Creative Kickstart for January. Just a reminder that this is only available until January the 31st, and then it will be gone. You can earn this for free, or you can buy it. Either way, it's your choice. Let that fall on the floor for now. But there are 2 different transfers plus the embellishments, and they are absolutely gorgeous. I'm also going to use the other transfer this week so you can see both of them used. But this one is perfect for the bathroom mirror. Every day truly is a fresh start. And if you start your day looking yourself in the eye and telling yourself, high five friend, you got this, it's going to be a great day, then it really is going to be a positive, fresh start. So I don't need to, this is a little sticky, but it's okay. I've used this one before. I'm actually going to put the whole transfer right on the mirror. And I'm going to do the words and these florals. Just like that. I'm just pushing that up, but I'm not actually going to do this piece. I'm just going to do what's down here. I love this part. So we're going to get all of these. You want to make sure it's really well stuck and pressed down. There's no wrinkles or air pockets or bubbles, and that's what will give you your fresh, crisp lines every single time. So I have a couple colors up here with me, and we're going to try and balance these without making a huge mess. All right, I'm going to do some bright pink, and I'm going to do some light pink. So this is raspberry sorbet that I'm starting with, and I'm just going to get it in a couple of different spots. I want a variety of color here, so I want to appeal to everybody. Both girls like different colors, so I'm going to do my best to make them both happy here, and we'll see what we can do. And maybe over here as well. Maybe over here. Get that done. And we'll go with, I might come back to that color actually. We'll see. We'll just see. This is Peony, so it is your light pink color. Find myself a squeegee. I love peony, so pretty. I'm gonna do this big flower peony. Now I am working with chalk paste, so I'm gonna try and go as quickly as I can because I don't want it to start to dry on me. So I wanna get it done as fast as I can. If your paste does happen to dry, you can just peel it off, wash it off, and start again, which is the best part about chalk paste. So then, last but not least, I'm going to use, oh, this one's brand new. This is Berry. And don't do as I do. Make sure your paste jars are ready to go so that you don't have this little delay. I'm going to do the words in Berry. I might change my mind about some of these colors on these flowers. Let's get this on. I love this color. So pretty. So pretty. I need to know in the comments, after you've done this or seen me do this, will you put chalk paste on your mirrors? Is there anybody in your family who needs to see some positive messaging? Doesn't have to be. I mean, it can be whatever you want. If you have a transfer that you absolutely love, put it on the mirror, on an entryway, in your bedroom, anywhere you want. So I'm going to leave that a little bit thicker than I normally would, just because I don't want it to dry while I do the rest of the colors. And get these last ones done. I'm going to go in with sage on the green. My sage, whoop, my sage is dry. Get that picked up. We'll clean that up after. All of your mistakes totally just wipe right off. So you don't have to worry about that. A little bit there, a little bit here. Ooh. We want to go as fast as I can. I once did a transfer. I did a 60-second challenge. That's what this feels like to me. On your mark, get set, go. All right, I think I'm gonna just put, some more peony, I guess. I'm gonna do a little bit more right here on this big one. And, whoop, I got too much. And get all of the excess. Try and pull off all the excess because you don't want those lines in there. And then I'm going to go back in with a little bit more. Actually, no, I'm going to do a little bit more of the berry on this last little flower right there. There you have it. I think we got them all. Put that down and we're ready to peel it off. And you just do this exactly the way you did everything else. Just peel this. I'm going to hold my mirror so it doesn't move. Just gently peel. This is really well stuck, but oh, look at it. It's so pretty. Nice. Oh, I love it. Every day is a fresh start. So I'm going to wash this. I'm going to wash all of my tools and put this back in its packaging, and it's reusable and I can use it over and over again. While I have my sponge here or my cloth here, I will clean up what I got on the window or the frame, the mirror frame. Got a little bit over there. So, and then once this is dry, it is completely bare until you decide you're going to take it off. And I absolutely love it. It's perfect. Every day is a fresh start. Try and get you a little bit closer so you can see better without seeing me or the camera. This is tricky. But doesn't that look fabulous? Every day is a fresh start, and you'll be able to take that off whenever you don't like it anymore, or you want to change it out, change it monthly, change it weekly, do whatever you like. But having a positive message on that mirror is super fun, and it could be just decorative for you, or it could be a positive message like I've done for us.
purple.
It's purple. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you like,
but I want my sheets to get
do you like the change?
Yes.
Nice. So there you have it, the girls' fun reaction to the mirror, and obviously they love it. So that's it for me tonight. Thank you so much for being here and watching tonight's video. I hope you truly enjoyed it. If you decide to chalk on your mirror, please post a picture in our group so that everyone can see what it is that you decided to do. Don't be afraid. It's super easy, and I know that you will love the results. Thanks so much for being here. Enjoy the rest of your Tuesday, and I will see you again Wednesday live on YouTube for Win It Wednesday and a brand new project. Can't wait to see you then. Bye.